Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video today, I am going to be sharing 3 very easy DIYs that you can do. So let's get started. Also, I should mention that I am using materials that I've had for a very long time. So if you are a person that has all of your items stocked and stored and you don't even know what you have, this is gonna be the video for you. For the first DIY, I'm just going to be using some scrap pieces of wood. These are 2x4s, and all I'm gonna do is clean them up a bit. So I'm going to sand them first, and then I'm gonna come back in with my dark walnut stain, and I'm going to restain these pieces. Next, I'm going to glue these 2 pieces together. So I'm just going to use my Gorilla Wood Glue to do that. Then I'm going to take my clamps, clamp these 2 pieces together, and I'm going to let this dry overnight. All right, so now I'm going to be taking these sticker letters, and you can get these from Target, Bullseye. They have them there sometimes. It's either like during the fall or Christmas, I think I see these. But anyways, I'm just going to be taking these, and I am going to paint them white, and I did about 4 or 5 coats just to make sure that you couldn't see the orange anymore. But if you ever see these stickers, these are perfect to get because you can use them for your DIYs, and if they don't have a color that you like, you can definitely paint over them. Next, I'm gonna start prepping the stickers so that I'll be able to add them onto my wood. So after my paint has dried, now I'm going to peel them off. When you do peel these letters off after you have painted them, the paint, you do have like paint, you know, as you can see here, like stuck on the sides and stuff, but it's really easy to just remove that, and all you have to do is pull it apart like I am. If you have your scissors, you can use your scissors to cut it away. Super easy to do, and then you'll be able to put these on whatever surface you want. After I've got my stickers nice and cleaned up, I am now going to place them onto my wood. But before I actually permanently press them down, I'm just going to place them where I want them to be to make sure the placement is good and that they're centered and even and all that good stuff. And then after I get that placement right, I'm just going to press them down onto my wood. So that is it for that DIY. Super easy to do. I love the end result. It's a very cute little decor piece that you can just add anywhere, from your fireplace to somewhere in your kitchen, in your room, wherever you need some decor. This would be just perfect to prop up or place onto your wall, and it is super easy to make. For this next DIY, I'm going to be using the little leaf plastic dish that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree. Got this last year, never did anything with it, and now I'm just going to take my favorite spray paint. You guys know it's Heirloom White, Rust-Oleum. I literally think I spray paint everything this color, but I just spray painted the leaf. I did about 2 coats, and then I let this dry. All right, so after my leaf is nice and dry, now I'm going to take this wooden adhesive sticker. This sticker is like from a year or 2 ago. I got it from Target Bullseye, and I'm just gonna place that sticker right in the middle. So I peeled the back off and placed it right there in the center, and this was good to go. Let me tell you, if you ever go into Target and you see the wooden adhesive stickers, you should pick them up. They're super cute. They're only $1, and you can use them for various DIYs. All right, and that is it. That's all you have to do for this DIY. Super easy, easier than the first one. And now you have a cute little dish that you can add to your entryway. You can add it on your countertop space or anything like that, so you can add your keys or whatever you need to it, and it is perfect, again, for fall. Moving along to the next DIY, I'm going to be taking these wooden pumpkins off this banner that came from Target Bullseye. And honestly, this DIY is like my favorite one. I love how this turned out. Even though I did this on a whim, those are always like the best projects, right? So I'm going to be taking 2 of the pumpkins off of this. So this smaller one and then this larger one. So I have 2 different sizes. And I'm just literally going to pull it right off of the twine. Next, I'm going to be using that same glass that I used from my last DIY that I shared with you guys. I'm gonna have it linked up here in the cards and also down below. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna use that same glass, but these are different sizes. They literally came from the same frame. And I'm just going to clean these up a bit, and then I'm going to be using the frame and everything to add the pumpkins to. So the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is I'm just going to glue this frame to the glass. Again, I'm going to have the dimensions for the glass down below, so if you want to use this same size, you'll be able to get this glass cut for you at your local hardware store. After I attach that frame to the top, I'm going to start working on the pumpkin. So the pumpkin here, I just added a twine at the top and tied it into a bow. And I'm gonna do that same thing for the smaller pumpkin. I'm just going to place the twine inside, pull it to the front, and tie a bow on there. Next, I'm going to take my pumpkins and I am just going to glue them to the center part of the glass. So after I have attached the pumpkins to the center, I am now going to add these wooden sticker leaves to the top of my pumpkin. So these stickers came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm not going to stain them or anything like that, but if you want to stain them or paint them, spray paint them, you can. And I'm just going to attach them to the tops. Okay, so here we are, the end result of this DIY. I absolutely love this one. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite. I love how this turned out with the pumpkins, with the glass. The whole color scheme vibe is so me. I just love this. I love this one, y'all. It's my favorite. So each one of the ones that I showed you today in this video are so easy to recreate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials, and I'll see ya in my next one. Bye.